Hi, today I want to show you this Miko AI-powered smart robot for kids. And this little robot is generally for kids over 5 years old. So this Miko smart AI robot comes in this really nice box. There is also handle on top, and inside of the box the packaging is actually really good too. Now you will find instructions and some other documents inside. Then there is also 3 different wall plug attachments, if you will. One is for US standard, and then you have European one and some other. Then you have power brick with the charging wire, and it attaches to any of these 3 wall plugs. And then of course you have the star of the show, the little robot itself. So Miko looks relatively simple. However, this is actually a very smart robot, which I'm gonna show you shortly. So right in front it has this really nice screen. That's where all the interactions are gonna be. But obviously there is this little paper in front telling us to set up the Wi-Fi and etc. Now this little robot has few buttons on the top. First there is power button, then you have volume up and down buttons, and there is also mute button, and this kind of eye switch, I guess to activate the robot's camera, so it might be used for some activities. And close to the button there is also SIM card port. Now here is the body of this little robot. It has some built-in speakers obviously, and on the bottom we have some wheels so this robot can move around. Now I actually like the voice of this little robot. I think it's really great for kids.
But before we can start hanging out, I need an adult to set up my system.
But by the way, the first time you're gonna put it on, or when your child is gonna use it, you will need to go through some pretty simple setup. But once the setup is done, this Miko toy can do a lot of different things, starting from some simple things like playing children's songs, dancing and etc. Hello Miko, can you sing a song?
Playing the baby shark crying now.
A baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
And by the way, sometimes when the child requests the song, this robot will put some little equalizer on the screen. And there is a lot of different educational things this robot can do. The child could ask this robot about any math problem solution. Hello Miko, how much is 17 times 5?
85.
About countries, presidents, and this robot seems to know a wide variety of many different subjects.
The current president of Italy is Sergio Mattarella since February 3rd, 2015.
This little robot can teach the child spelling, math, countries, places, maps. Hello Miko, what is the distance between New York and California?
The driving distance from New York, USA to California, USA is 2,914 miles, and the time taken to travel is 1 day, 19 hours.
I mean, there is a lot of activities this robot can do, especially when it comes to education. And depending on the child's age that you actually set up in the beginning, this robot will also provide some tasks appropriate for the specific age. And by the way, that screen of the robot is actually very clear, so whether it displays the actual face or is going through the tasks, it is very easy and clear to see. And by the way, the parent can also check the child's activity in the app, which is obviously gonna be great to check the child's progress. And additionally, this robot is using its kind of AI, if you will, and it has many different nice responses, like this one for example. Hello Miko, I'm going to sleep.
Okay buddy, take care, illness you.
Hello Miko, I love you. So sometimes it could be very sweet in the same time, and it is definitely a very friendly toy, for sure a lot of fun, and especially that most kids will like to play with it and interact. That will definitely make the learning more enjoyable, I think.